Is it a problem for me to go out there?
I did not say.
So excuse me.
Baby, we are supposed to for kids.
Because stop annoying me now.
I got him.
You're always annoying.
Babe, go on. See there. Go look. See there. Look for them. Go on. See there. See help for them.
Yes, sir.
See help for them. See help for them. Oh my God. You have a loved one, a friend, a family member where you just want to lay to rest properly. I know this package deal where it's awesome. Carter's Paradise Rest, you see me? It's a funeral home. All links and information in the description or on the screen right now. So if you want to do a proper burial, them people are professional. Them also have a bands who play the funeral or a wedding or any function you can think of. All information on the screen. And let's say for example you have a family member overseas who want to watch something with them output for you. Them have a YouTube channel, link in the description as well. So when you check out all of this and contact them, make them know say Razablade send you as well when you go through, and you might get a percentage off with the one package deal. Now let's start the video. Squad. What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade. I'm there with a banger phone. So today we have a hot prank for give you. Ian John must be there downstairs or run to the pool, I'm not sure. But just on bed. But actually I go sneak out and go for this girl right now. I'm gonna use prank her like say yo me I try to sneak in a girl in the room. You see me I say? On this bed. We go try see if me can. Yes, what I say? So, I want to take out no popcorn. I want to take out no juice bag. And I just want to just enjoy the prank. Yeah. Remember to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. So I say road to 200k. I go for the girl right now and see if I can sneak back in there before the engine notice what go on. Yo, so see my lady here right now. You can see says a big woman for me. So you know this I got hot car. The engine know say I not too deal with kids, Squad in the comments, I show she shy. Hey, hold on. She a Indian too, Yeah, she a Indian too. So you know, Indian against Indian. What am I going to do? Indian against Indian, God laugh, Yo, she look worried. You worried?
I'm not worried.
Feel like she got bust out thing going on. Or cutlass or them thing there. Well, we so see. Alright people, may I pay attention for the road, you see it? So forward. Just a pull up on the compound, you see it? Alright, so she not so shy again, because they are reason with her, She can't make the prank flop. So why if you're shy? And she's not a cheater neither, so you must know she first time I try nothing like she not go up on camera and them things there's people. So if you pull the gate there now. Alright. So I have a friend on the inside that tell me say she don't run on the pool. So it's supposed to easy for me get up and go up her room. But I just make sure everything is set up before she find out, you see? See it? You're afraid same way? Thank God. Come on, no man. Strong up, no man. Alright. Can't see around this still, but up this way I go. Back up. Alright. Definitely I can't mind look with me. Alright, so I'm looking with my friend, they listen to me, man. That if you go home. Alright, come that side. Make sure that if you open to car, I should come up and catch you. Wait, I want to push up that way. That if you want me, can hear it. This one? Yeah, just push up. Sit down. May I make sure she's not inside? Babe? Alright, so she not come back. You can come. You can come. Alright. Alright. I forgot to sit this up properly. So alright. So how we're gonna set it up, people, is we're gonna make she left her bag on the bed. And you see anytime she come up, I'm gonna make her go hide around there somewhere. That her room on the balcony, see? So when she come, she ask me about the bag. I don't know what I'm gonna tell her, I say, but I just want you to keep concealed out there. So if she not search so I start look around, I'm gonna make you come around and say, come, I want you to see the woman there. See it? So wait first. Let me set up my camera good. Sure. Yeah, camera open too. VR camera open too. VR camera open too. So I don't have to forget one. But I don't know if you charge. Ah, I see that. Right, see there. See that. Set up this one. Alright. My girl fixy. See? Alright, thanks. See, this one. Get all them stuff. I call her now.
Yeah?
Babe?
Nah.
You still know about that pool? So me in a room and miss you and me one day in a room, so just bored, so I look. Alright. Oh wait. You cannot? Hold on. Nobody come. Me I finish up something. You don't have to come now, me I finish up something.
What?
Something. Oh, me so talk to you. Ah. I just cut off my phone. I could just call her and then she just walking from Frank, so that don't make sense. You see what I say? Alright. Now she call back now. Make sure I say look. Oh, so I cannot see. I cannot see if anything. People she call back. Nah answer. Shall answer me your voice heard. No, I wouldn't get it.
Should have fly come up here.
Should I fly come up by now?
Until she get her voice and then back on. So.
We are calling her back, so you say, baby, you say, you just say something here.
Jason?
Yeah, say, Jason, now come. Yeah, babe, sorry about that, my phone did that, you say? Oh, yeah, come up. I'm not here. I'm not here. She downstairs, the box there. when I just finish up sitting.
Whose bag that?
Who what?
On the bed.
No one ain't you what, babe?
But listen, that's not my bag.
Babe, you know where your handbag, so I know what kind of question.
Where you come from in the first place?
You need to tell us I'm going to shop.
And come back and go on, so?
How?
Over bag. And you have a dirty bag in the bed?
Give me a call. Your bag dirty bag?
It's not my bag.
Yeah, but after your bag, I don't wear.
Jesse, that's not my bag. Me an idiot?
Babe, no, you're my
It's not my bag.
Oh, God.
Me,
Babe.
me fool? Me don't know me things them.
Babe, you
Me don't know me things them. That's what you're trying to tell me?
Babe.
It's not my bag.
Don't make me pull the bag, babe.
Jesse, it's not my bag.
Babe, stop a foolishness, babe.
And how you come back here with somebody else's bag? Cause the bag never there.
Me come back with somebody else's
The
bag?
bag.
Babe, I don't wear handbag, you know, so
You know
come
what?
back.
Forget about it. Me can't take any bullshit.
Bro.
You always say some stupid stuff, Jason. Am I a fool? Am I a fool? That's not my bag. Where are you coming from out? Don't play with me, Jason.
No, me not play with you, babe.
You out there.
Me not play
Babe, stop.
Nobody do hold you.
Just let me go and
Babe.
want some breeze.
Babe, you just have to come up
I
for a
want
breeze.
some breeze.
Come on.
Me a breeze. Me here feel
Just-
it. It wet. Wet.
So babe, we could go in
Wet.
the bathroom, I could shower first and then come lie down.
Is it a problem for me to go out there?
I did not say.
So excuse me.
Babe, I did.
Excuse me.
Babe.
Jason, excuse me. Jason, excuse
Babe,
me.
why?
Babe, can you...
Babe, why are you getting angry over silly
Babe, can
stuff?
you excuse me, please?
Babe, there's
Babe,
no...
can you excuse me, please?
Babe.
Can you...
Alright. Just tell me why you want to go outside.
Me will go back down my pool.
Babe, don't go back down on the
Just
pool.
because...
Babe, we are supposed to for...
Jason, because stop annoying me now.
Alright, go on, what do you
You're
see?
always
Babe,
annoying.
go on. See there. Go look. See there, look for them. Go on. See there. See there, look for them.
Jesus.
See there, look for them. See there, look for them. Oh my God. I the girl is for massage it over. I the girl is for massage. See, they have a massage something in her bag. Surprise!
I did my bag.
No, babe,
I did my
Babe,
bag.
what you ask me for?
It was my bag.
Babe, a massage.
It was my f***ing bag.
Baby, come, she come.
Was
to
it
massage.
my bag?
Babe, she come to massage.
Was it my
Babe,
bag?
I was kidding.
Why
It
you did
was
that
a
lie?
surprise.
So why you
babe.
did that for lie?
It was a surprise.
Why you did
Bro,
that for
it
lie?
was a surprise.
And you hide her?
Babe, it was
It
a
was a
surprise.
surprise and you hide
Babe, it
her?
was a surprise, babe. She come with the massage stuff, the massage both of
You
us.
massage people?
Babe, stop asking that
No,
question.
you massage people?
Stop asking that
She
question.
don't massage people. What you doing here
Celine,
then?
relax yourself now, man.
Jason, let go from me now, bro. Let go from me.
Bro.
Let go. Do not
I'm
touch
not
me.
touching you.
Good. What are you doing inside here?
Stop interrogating. I should have said, you
What
would.
are you doing here?
Jason, tell me that you wasn't coming back.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop playing
Ah,
with
yo,
me here.
babe, stop.
Don't
Stop.
play
Babe,
with
do
me.
it. Babe, violence is not the answer.
Jason, let go.
Violence-
If you touch me.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Violence is
Jason,
not-
you carry somebody come here?
Babe, are the masseuse? Are the masseuse? May I tell you, are the masseuse?
So how she can say Jason?
Jason,
Bro, you know, see, I get me in enough trouble
no,
already,
you
though.
need to tell her. You need
Me,
to tell
she
her.
get you in a problem? No. If you never make she come here, she would have there here. That's why from morning every minute you ask me what time me I got the pool.
Baby, I
No, that's why you ask me.
We told plans we were going to the pool, that's why I asked you.
Jason, don't play. Let's laugh, you know. You're good enough. You're good.
Babe, why you have me this?
Oh,
Babe, why did you?
Jason, you hear what I say to you? Do not touch me. Do not.
I'm not touching
I am not even mad. You're good. Massage him.
Babe, I told
Make she massage you. Make she massage you. Since she come for massage you, lay down.
Babe, so you-
Get her massage. I don't want anything.
So me never said.
No thanks. Make she massage
Me
you.
never said nothing.
Make she massage you
Me
now.
never said nothing.
So go and go lay down now.
Me not ready for it, girl. You, girl.
No, me don't want anything. Sorry. It's okay.
Me
You
never
know,
ready
say you're wicked.
Babe, stop telling me about my
He's a wicked man. That's why from morning every minute you
Babe,
ask when me I go to the pool.
when you decide so when we are going to the
Me
pool.
know say from your call me, you know, me I see your son so friggin' guilty. That's why when me I call you back, you not answer. Cause you're tying me out around here, so.
Remember,
Are you always a make me get mad, you know? You know that?
me,
You know that? Are you just always a draw me out, you always a make me a sin my soul. Why?
you want to see
Why?
you want to see the soul energy and I'm
Yeah, me want to do it. I true you talk, and me want to do it. And me want to do it. You're so fucking correct, Jason. And me want
When you
it.
cuss the bag and
When me come in here, so yeah, disrespect me intelligence and tell me so that is my friggin' bag and you know that's not my bag.
yeah? You catch me. Alright.
Jason, just get the way up. Just get the hell away from me. Jason, me don't know what you said to you. You just disturb. You just, oh my God, you carry somebody coming here. Go on, go make sure massaging, miss. Massaging, you come here for massage, right? Me don't want anything.
But Jason tell me say you not come back for now. Jason tell me that too.
Jesus
You tell me
Christ,
say you not come back here for
you
now.
know say, you know if you have gear or you go like details and me tell you, make sure just cuss and, you see me?
You know, he's a wicked man. He's a wicked man. You come here so for have fun and you go for woman. You find time go for woman and you been a friend. You been a friend because me know say. You been a friend. You a friend long time.
We are question her for.
First of all, you never so quiet when you and Jason did a message. So,
Bro, oh you know what with your message say? You didn't even know so we
oh,
have
so
message?
you just read her mind and you just go pick her up. That's what you
You
do?
don't even know what me do, babe.
Yeah, what you do? You been a friend.
Me meet her down at shop and she said,
Yeah, and after you meet people, you just invite them in our space. Let me tell you something. You see you, me go stop deal with you because guess what? You not make nobody hurt me. Because you don't know a woman from nowhere. And you take her up and you bring her in here with our stuff them in here. Let me tell you something. Don't inconvenience me. So when you want to have a woman them, don't carry them in my space. You hear me I tell you? Say if that you want, bring them, go find somewhere, go with them. Now bring them in my space, now make them touch the stuff them when me I use Jason. You get me? And me and you go do nothing what she come here to come do. And you and her. You're not gonna make nobody do me nothing because you meet her at shop and you carry her coming at the house. No, you meet her at shop and you carry her come. Oh, smart. Which part your name mean?
you know what I tell her? Yo, man.
I'm not fucking a matter because I hear a man this now. And this you want? And this you want for yourself? No, and this you want.
Baby, I'm a police officer.
No, and this you want for yourself, think about it.
Question.
Think about it, me and him talk for 5 years, you hear that? 5 years we talk for, and he take you up and bring you in the house. So imagine when time me left him and him start talk with you know what you are going to get? I don't tell you nothing. But if I were you, I would run. Because you see this, I don't want him back in so you can have him. You see him right there so, you can take him, I don't want him. Because you're disgusting. May you come on vacation and you carry woman coming in the house. You claim to someone to meet her shop for show you how you're not smart. You meet her on road and you carry her coming in the house. You is a wicked man. You can't have him, you know. When the business we do, you know. When you can't have fun. You know, can't have fun. You hear me I tell you? So I go back at the pool where you keep on and tell me if you go from morning because from me come me just there in here. I go back at the pool and I go swim and you can do whatever you want to do. I don't care. I don't care. It's when you're done, just know I'm ready to go to my yard. I want to go home. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see you, I don't want to hear you. Just don't deal with me. Do not deal with me. Because you can't be trusted. I pulled my gun. And I don't take my taxi gun away, I don't take my bus gun away. And they pulled my gun after you call me and say you sound so guilty. And I say make me come up here because where you going so far? I not gone away now, they pulled my gun, you know. And you up here and do this? Tell us I don't want to open my relationship, you know. May you have this a conversation here already. You know how I feel about certain stuff. Them here stuff we talk about all the time. I don't want to open my relationship. So you say for that you want, stop playing with me now. Because you see, I now make one time nothing happen, nobody come blame me for nothing at all. Because you know, you...
Come here, babes.
I'm sorry. Oh, you are crazy, you are crazy.
You are crazy.
Oh, my God.
Go get her. Go get her. Baby, come.
Babe!
Just don't talk to me.
No, this is coming like one running competition. You not ready for this one? Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, look here. Babe, I told you when we set up, babe. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank.
Jesse, can you let go
Babe,
of
it's a prank, babe. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, see the 30-minute circle. Babe, it's a prank. 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 I'm sorry, babe, it's a prank. Babe, I'm sorry, babe.
Jesse, can you let go?
Babe, I'm
of me?
sorry, it's a prank.
Jesse, let go off of me. Jesse, let go off of me.
Babe, it's a prank.
I'm gonna use my eye to ear.
But me I tell you, you know, listen to me. Babe, it's a prank. I wanna tell me if you do it. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, come on, babe. This is a YouTuber, babe. It's a prank.
You make me want to cry.
You don't love you use up on the tears. Babe, it's a prank, babe.
I am so sorry about that. It's really truly.
Tell her if a prank or not.
Yes. It is a prank.
Trust me, it's alright.
Babe, it's not
In the
alright.
room, I want to shout out, you know.
So you never talk, say a prank so quick. Babe,
Up on a woman to woman.
babe, I'm pranking you, babe. Serious thing. I'm sorry for your day. I'm gonna make it up. Babe, I'm gonna make it up, yeah?
Now try to look for something from my phone.
Babe, I was pranking you.
Even though how much trouble we have to go through to get this up prank.
Exactly. She nearly chicken out 500 times. Come on, mama. You know your boy loves you. Jason Blade loves you.
My boy loves me, I know that.
What? Don't play with me.
Smile, man, it's just a prank.
Smile, man. It's just a. Hey, I want 50,000 likes to that video. Because that video got slap 1 million views. May I see you next time. Probably when we make it up to her. Score!